What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as VONG, which is the Russell 1000, and the S&P 500, which have just continued to climb and climb higher and higher and higher. This is absolutely insane that we are now at all-time highs yet again, breaking through 6,136 points now at 27. We're at 62.79 is insane how high we're going, because it just keeps breaking barriers. We keep going higher and higher and higher. Again, we are now overbought, extremely overbought, and in my mind, this means it is time to pull lower here. But we'll see if I'm right, and we'll see if we just keep soaring to the upside. It's insane. But it's mainly just the Russell 1000 and the S&P 500. It's okay if we do that. Like I said, I've mapped out the thought that we could just kind of head up higher and then rebound on this and then rally up, as when we consolidate above support, this can hopefully lower us on moving average. But aside from these, the stock market and stuff like that, looking at XRP here, we are right now retesting whether or not the groundhog is going to see its shadow, whether we're going to see a massive explosion for next week, or if we're going to see a major dump to the downside here. That's kind of where we're at right now within the markets, and hopefully we'll decide that. We'll look a little bit closer later on today. Same thing goes with Solana. As you can see, we are stuck between a rock and a hard place. We are finally at the top, retesting a massive support and a massive resistance. We have everything riding on us to head up higher, break through, but we have a massive downtrend, a massive moving average, lots of downwards pressure, and a small uptrend. And either we break through and we explode, and when I say explode, we explode, probably shooting up to $200, or we reject and we dump to the downside here, which is more so where I think we're going to see Solana and these cryptos move to. So very interesting. Lots of things to go over, guys, in today's episode. We'll look at Ethereum too. We'll look at Bitcoin, so on and so forth here. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So super quick, BitFi now has two competitions going on. The one that we were promoted 2 days ago, I am sorry for making a video yesterday. I will be on travel for the week, so I had so much stuff to take care of and do. I really wanted to make a video, but I just did not have enough time in the day. It's very annoying. But BitFi is currently doing a trade for a chance to win XRP. You can get up to $10,000 worth of XRP, which is insane for you guys out there here. It is very easy. You can see here, 129, 330, 800, 2,500, $10,000 worth of XRP by trading. It's that simple. So if you guys already trade, which I know a lot of you guys do, here's a way to get some free stuff. The rules, as you can see, are right down here below. Anyone that has already registered to my account, like to the link with the link down in the description below, will be automatically entered into this here. So if you haven't already signed up, make sure to go sign up down in with the link in the description, and then you'll be entered for a chance to win this XRP right here. So with that being said, we'll talk about BitFi later on in today's episode. So briefly, before we look at the technical analysis, quick look at the coin market cap here shows we are now at 55 on the fear and greed, which looks good. We had a little spike as of yesterday and the day before here, slowly starting to kind of move to the upside here. Lots of these cryptos slowly starting to head upwards, which certainly looks good if you ask me. I think we look really nice as we're starting to kind of veer upwards. I like the way that looks here. But on top of that, looking at everything else, we look all right. It's still lots of consolidation, lots of sideways trading for the most part here, and I think we're gearing up for something really large to come. Could be as early as today or this weekend, but more than likely come next week is what I would likely think we are going to see. You can see right now within, we can go into what we discussed lastly. You can see here we are tracking this beautiful kind of lower high, lower low pattern here forming on, I think this was Solana, I believe. Let's see, was it Solana? Yes, it was, or maybe it was Ethereum here. Nope. Bitcoin? Yes, it was Bitcoin here. But either way, a lot of these are forming these technical indicators, which we have been tracking, and we're hopefully going to see the results of this fairly soon, which is exciting to me. You can see with us starting with XRP, if I zoom in, you can see how freaking close we are to making a decision. Oh my goodness. You can see the major downtrend, the major uptrend, the very obvious higher low pattern here with each time we move up, Each new low is higher than the last. This is a very obvious technical pattern that is forming here. And let's play around with it on the daily charts. You can see we are getting stuck between a rock and a hard place, getting very close to retesting major resistance right here. If we breach this, we will fall. If we break above it, we will explode. And it all comes down to like this weekend, if not today, the earliest here. As we start to fill in this gap, we are going to be left with a decision, and a big one here. A very easy trade. So I'm letting you guys know in advance, pay attention to this. This is an extremely easy trade. And once we get that confirmation, we'll know to short or we'll know to long. We'll do so on BITUNIX, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want to do on an exchange is offered on BITUNIX, which is phenomenal here. You can, like I said, long, short, take profits, stop losses, market orders, limit orders. I mean, everything you'd want is offered on this exchange, which is phenomenal. They have a demo trading account, which you can see right here, as well as a reward center, which is also super cool. So you can earn newser, daily, exclusive, hot rewards, tons of different rewards every single day, which is phenomenal here. Or for anyone that signs up, you can take advantage of all the stuff here. They have tons of participants in the reward center, over 1 million, which is insane. So definitely make sure to check it out down in the description below, as well as take advantage of this trading competition, which ends, when does it end here? August 3rd. So you have a little bit of time now, and it started as of yesterday. So definitely make sure to check it out here. And then they also have this demo trading account, which gives you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, learn how the exchange works. And then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live trading account and use the bonus money that you've earned and racked up to trade. Anything profit-wise that you earn off the bonus money, you can withdraw completely free to your MetaMask, Coinbase, wherever it is that you want, which is super cool. And you can see here, XRP just looks so cool. How obvious. This is the easiest technical indicator pattern that we have seen in a very long time. And we're not even talking about extending this out, how this could very easily complete our huge head and shoulders pattern. With the rejection off here, if we pull back down and break through floor, we're going to see a huge landslide. This would confirm our descending our head and shoulders pattern, which is bearish. Or we, complete the bull flag here, this very small bull flag. We break through this ceiling and we explode to the upside, which would also be phenomenal, and we'll easily take advantage of that. So it really depends on which one's going to win here, but it's an extremely easy pattern, and we've already established that it's going to happen any moment now. So it's a very easy trade to take advantage of. Once we confirm closure above or below the blue or yellow band, we'll know when to buy in, and that could either be a long or a short position. Same exact thing is with Solana now. Look at Solana. Massive descending fractal. Beautiful uptrend. You can see right here, clear as day. Then a lower high, lower low pattern, filling in the gap beautifully here. It doesn't get any easier than this, as you can see right here. If we confirm closure above this, we will rally to the upside. If we confirm closure below it, we will break to the downside here. More than likely, we will break through price floor. There's a lot riding on this. We have a moving average. We have the downtrend. Lots saying, we're probably going to explode downwards and correct to the downside, which we can easily take advantage of here. It'd be the easiest short ever. Wait for the signal. If we break through all this, that'd be huge. We could also complete the bull flag, which would be nice. And then we would see a major rally to the upside. Very easy. But remember, we fell into this. More than likely, we're going to fall out of it. So it'll be a big short opportunity for a lot of these cryptos. But Solana and XRP are stacking up to be phenomenal entries and trades over the weekend or starting today. So keep very close attention here. Check back in 12 hours, and we'll see where exactly we decide to move to. Ethereum looks good too, heading upwards here. Kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. But again, this is my last thing that I'm trading because of kind of the technical indicator pattern. It doesn't look all the best. Same thing with Bitcoin too. Vong looks amazing. We're exploding to the upside. But again, I very much think that the S&P and Vong need to pull back down. Again, we can head up a little higher to become really overbought and then fall and consolidate here. And what this will do is bring us up and then pull us back down to here. That would look good. That would really look good. And then we'd have even more room to pump up, which aligns with everything that I'm drawing here. But again, it's hit or miss. It is up in the air. We'll see. But we look really good right now. I do believe, though, that a healthy pullback is necessary for the market. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.